Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cable reels that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the SMJ Electrical Pro Cable Reel. The SMJ Electrical SP2010 Pro Cable Reel is a cassette-style cable reel. It uses a patented rigid plastic housing that feels seriously solid but is still lightweight at just 1 kilogram. I like the bright yellow cable. It's easy to see it no matter how untidy your work area is. All the safety bases are covered, and the rewind action is fast and smooth. Proudly designed here in the UK, the RP2010 Pro Cable Reel is just one product from Berkshire-based SMJ Electrical. They've been making quality electrical goods since 2001, so they know all about how to make the best extension lead. Moving on at number 4, we have the Schneider Electric Thorsman 2-gang extension lead. French electrical equipment manufacturer Schneider Electric have close to 200 years experience making everything from home automation equipment to industrial robotics. They should really know how to make one of the best extension leads on the market, and I'm not disappointed. Their open cable reel is a simple, robust, and safe 25 meters extension cord that will reach the far end of almost any garden. Designed as a simple open reel extension cord, you get 25 meters of heavy gauge cable and a pair of sockets to plug into. There's even a little clip to keep the plug connected to the cable reel. The reel section stands up on a tubular steel frame that's steady enough to not fall over with a gentle tug, and it's easy to wind in the cable when you're done. It's a simple heavy-duty cable reel that feels bomb-proof and should last for a long time. At number 3, we have the Masterplug 2-way outdoor weatherproof case reel. Another quality cable reel from Masterplug is their HLP 2013 Halves IP 2-way weatherproof cable reel. When you want to run your garden equipment and not worry about the weather, the pair of dust and splash-proof sockets with protective flip covers are just the things you need. Whether you're mowing the lawn or trimming the hedges, it's the best cable reel for outdoor use. With 20 meters of cable to play with, you'll reach even the furthest corners of your garden without worrying about rain stopping play. Although you should never use an outdoor cable reel as a permanent electricity supply for an outside building or shed, you can rest easy knowing that the Masterplug HLP 2013 Halves IP comes with a safety cutout switch and complies with all British safety standards. At number 2, we have the Centurion X10382 socket extension reel. The Centurion brand produces all sorts of safety equipment for home and commercial use. Their X1038 extension reel is a handy extension cable for a reasonable price. Boasting 10 meters of extension cord and 2 sockets to plug into, this is an ideal budget cable reel for reaching a bit further than some of the competition. Conforming to BSN 61242 safety standards, the cassette contains a thermal cutout in case of overheating. Designed to power up 2 devices up to 720 watts when wound up, or 2,400 watts when fully unwound, this is just enough cable to reach across even the biggest rooms in the house. For the price, it's one of the best 2-socket extension reels you can get right now. And finally at number 1, we have the Masterplug SCT0413 4WMP4 socket cassette reel. With more than 30 years in the business, Masterplug know a thing or two about making cable reels. The Masterplug CT0413 4WMP is a basic and inexpensive round extension lead that comes with several useful safety features. The white casing holds 4 meters of power cable and gives you 4 sockets to plug into. There's a thermal safety cutoff in case the unit overheats, and a safety button you need to press to make it work again once it's cooled down. If you're looking for a safe and reliable little 4-socket extension cable, this is a good choice. It's not got the longest extension lead on my list, but you don't always need loads to play with.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.